speak English.
Yes.
And there is consequence
If we don't
yeah, there is consequence in speaking our native language.
guys, what are we talking today? I'm so bored. What is the reason why you cut your hair?
Yeah,
Because, okay, I will tell the story. First of all, yesterday, I'm so bored using my phone. First of all, I don't make up my face. I'm very bored, so I try to cut my hair first, like there. It's so long, so I need a short one.
this is my face
Oh,
before.
I know it's mine. I don't have the bang. It will grow soon. I look like mystery.
Come on, show your face on the camera.
Oh no.
What?
No. You have a consequence right now.
I mean, if we said, what's that?
You know, hall. I mean hall.
Now it's still recording. Yeah. This coming 29 if I going to be like that. This continue focusing the camera on you. Okay. Yeah. Just my wallet. I forgot. I said it's so it's like it's flying. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you the I'm paper leaf. I'm literally sparkling. If you're not kidding. Kidding.
I need to read some combo hair because I'm bored.
Let's do it then.
What?
This.
I'm just reading.
Reveal, go. I'll show them. Like, this your
It's called Scrambled English. Why you are so quiet?
Yeah.
I'm so sleepy.
Guys, we don't have money.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry.
I want to eat.
Because the silhouette.
I want to eat.
That's the sound.
Girl, I want to eat netto. Cornetto, I mean.
Cornetto too.
Yeah, like chocolate flavor or milk flavor. It's better if milk because it's
Strawberry.
color white.
I want strawberry because it's pink and I like pink.
I like ice cream like Cornetto. It's the flavor is
What's
chocolate.
your favorite ice cream?
Vanilla.
Yellow. It's really yellow.
It's a flavor. No, it's not ice cream. Like dirty white color. Dirty white.
No, like that.
Like this. Yeah, dirty white. So it's
It's
dirty.
fine. No.
It just looks like brown and white mixed together, but the brown is just light. Yeah.
So I think we're ending the video